welcome back to another shopping haul. This one being from Walgreens. I almost said Walmart. I was like, wait, no, not Walmart. So, let me see, did I actually stick something over here? No, I didn't. Okay, that's my different haul. I have got so many hauls to share with you guys that I cannot even in good faith do them back to back because it would feel just ridiculous doing about 20 back to back, so I'm gonna have to space them out. I've got a little shopping crazy lately as I've had more money to play with, but regardless, this is just Walgreens. I went to get my flu shot and kinda sorta came home with a whole crap ton of impulse buys. So, getting right into it. The first one was like the last thing I saw. It was up near the registers, but was behind the counter. I had to ask them for it. And it's the limited edition apple pie Kit Kat, which I didn't expect to realistically find. So I'm like, holy shit, give me one. If it turns out good, I will get some more while they're still available. So there's that. That, of course, will get pretty much everything in here. It's going to eventually get reviewed. I got a Nivea Broad Spectrum SPF 15 All Day Nourishing Moisture Smoothness Lip Care and Sunscreen and mineral oil free. I don't know if I had this one or not, actually. I want to say I didn't because I don't think any of my Niveas ever had SPF in them before. I want to say I had something in about this color from them, but I don't think it was this one, so I think that's new to me. So into the to be reviewed pile it goes. I got what feels like about the biggest ream of printer paper ever. Hear how hefty that is? Hell yeah. So there is 750 sheets of this in there. I'm like, oh my god, this is really heavy. So, I'm gonna stick that over there for now, but oh my gosh. Yeah, I originally was just gonna get like a normal little pack of printer paper, but I saw that, and when it was only a couple bucks more, I was like, get the big boy. Again, totally just impulse purchased, but apparently caramel Apple Jacks are a thing for fall. Did not know that, but they came home with me. There was a couple other seasonal ones that I skipped out on, like the pumpkin spice shredded mini wheats, mostly because I think unless I let them soak so long in milk to where they get soggy, they're like too hard for me to eat with my janky back teeth, so I skipped those, but I got these, so I am looking forward to these bad boys. I mean, we've pretty much got our October Foodie Fridays covered, so I've got stuff for November now. Freaking finally, they had it in stock. I'm finally able to get a new one of my Abrevos, which is good and couldn't have come in a better time, given this part of the year. I've had like 3 outbreaks just in the amount of time it's taken to find anywhere with this in stock. So at least it's good till 2023, so I'm good. But especially since I get outbreaks more often from stress than I used to, definitely good to have this on hand. Let's see, were these the same or are they different? Yeah, they're the same. So these are just 2 little individual usage Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Masks with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. It was a buy one get one free thing, that's why I got 2. But yeah, I've never tried any of the masks by this brand, but the hair stuff of theirs that I've used I have loved, so I figure, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a shot. Similarly, who knew that Walgreens brand got in on the face mask game of basically trying to piggyback off the Freeman face masks. I got a couple of these. I got the Reawaken facial mask with cucumber extract, which clarifies and refreshes the skin, and it's a peel-off. And then I got the Nourish facial mask with oatmeal and avocado oil, which clears pores and polishes skin, and it's a clay mask. I'm not sure if these are the same as the little single-use pouches that I got a while back, but they might be, they might not be. If they are, I guess I'm glad to have bigger versions of them now that go beyond one use. If they're different, we'll find out, I suppose. So I got those. They didn't cost that much, surprisingly. They were pretty much on par with the Freeman brand ones, which were only a few bucks for the tubes, so. I also finally picked up the Blistex Lip Infusions Hydrate. Let's see here. Plant-derived squalane and hibiscus to ultra-quench the lips, natural beeswax and candelilla to moisturize and comfort. Sounds pretty good. I know that even with the ones I got on this trip, I'm still missing some of these, but I got the ones they had, so. I also got the Lip Infusions Revive, which is the ginseng and chia seed extracts to revitalize the lips. And I think it says, yeah, same thing with the beeswax candelilla to moisturize and comfort. So, okay, I got that one. I think I'm missing the red one. And I looked on Target when I was shopping there, and I think they were out of it too. This one's the Soothe one. Cucumber and calendula to comfort irritated lips, and it otherwise says exactly the same thing again. So at least I have these three. Hey, it's my three fave colors all together, so I can't complain too hard. But yeah, I still need the red one. So I'm just gonna stick these over here. Balance, balance, balance. Okay. And because I'm here, I got more candy. I got limited edition Werther's Original Soft Caramels in Caramel Apple. Who knew these were a thing? I also got the Pumpkin Spice Soft Caramels. So I figure if nothing else, even if they're too hard with my janky teeth, although I'm feeling through the bag, they feel pretty damn soft. I think they'll be fine, but I don't want them to pop my caps off. I can always suck on them until they fall apart, but regardless, there's those. These, it was like a buy one get one 50% off thing, and I've seen these on their website before, but I didn't want to pay the exorbitant sums to ship them. But it's the Jelly Belly pumpkin pie. Oh my goodness. Just one flavor, but it's pumpkin pie, and I fucking love it. Oh my god. I've never had their pumpkin pie ones before, so hopefully they're good. If they're not too damn bad, I've got 2 bags of them, so better suck it up. And then finally, these actually aren't the ones that I am trying so hard to track down. There is another flavor of these too, but these are caramel candy corns. Now there's apparently green apple candy corns this year too, but I haven't yet found anywhere that has them. So I was super stoked to have even found these because I honestly didn't know they were a thing. I feel like there was another flavor there, but I was honestly racing since my dad was over in the pharmacy department. Wasn't watching me at all, so I was kind of just like, okay, while he's busy, buy all the fucking candy while he's not looking, even though it's on my dollar, but I didn't feel like listening to him give me a ration of shit over it like he always does, so I was just like, quick, 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 go, go, go. I know I saw something that had green on it, but I think it was just the colors. I think they were still normal ones, but it was like Harvest Mix or something, but I don't think it was the green apple ones, so I'm still in the market trying to find those somewhere. I don't know where to find them though, but I'm keeping an eye out. But still, I think this was a fairly good haul on a day that I thought I was just going to get a flu shot. So, anyway, guys, that is it for this one. So, as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.